So, let me wait till this car passes by. So last year, I think it's maybe the same week, but definitely last year, November. If you go all the way back, first video I ever posted was a drift event video, and it was the exact same drift event we're filming today. It's called Fall Double Down. I had absolutely no idea what drifting was. Before I went to this event, I wasn't even gonna drift my E36, and this event was like super sick. Like the vibes were super good. Yeah, it's what made me like wanna drift. So today we're filming that same thing. We're gonna go on a quick little 2-hour drive. I say quick, but 2-hour drive to Cordele. I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This video is yeah, I don't know. I'm just tired. It's early. We gotta stop and get some breakfast for sure. All right.
Breeze in the air, I can see you are instinct.
Slid to the subway for a little second, trying to grab some grub. So yeah. What'd you call this place? Subby?
Subby.
An Italian urban cheese, turkey, American cheese. Yeah, toasted please. Can I get lettuce, tomato, cucumber, banana pepper? That'd be the secret ingredient. Pickles, a little bit of mayo, a little salt and pepper please. What'd you think, Beth? My car was here blocking people the whole time. So when we get back, that's what we're gonna do. Devin's gonna let me borrow his helmet.
Clothes off, face down, ass up.
Pause. We're gonna borrow his helmet and go on, try to get some in-car footage. Yeah, we about to head back right now. And we are back. Crisp Motorsport. We're gonna vibrate to death. What up, what up, what up?
How you doing?
I'm chilling, bruh. How's the car?
The car's good. I've been driving pretty bad so far, but I'm about to start driving better, I think.
Yeah, you got it.
I hope.
Yo. We just vibing.
Watching people crash right now. Diego goes out for one fucking lap and deviates instantly. Hey.
AZ machine.
Here we go, here we go. Following Mr. Wabi Soft.
Should I get a helmet like this or like that?
These are 5, but those are 5.
What the? This motherfucker be giving it the beat. Yo, what the fuck?
Alright, B!
That phone, trap phone.
Trap phone.
Paper rap bitch. Yeah, my bitch, she bad. All my niggas rich. I got work for cheap, put me
Bryce
down.
about to put it
I'm
on
straight
us.
out the trap.
Bryce is about to put it on us.
Working on it earlier. Shout out Moist Boys.
Yeah, shout out Moist Boys.
that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I tried to do more like ride along type things, but I don't have a helmet, so it's like kind of weird trying to like ask for a ride and then not having a helmet. But I did get one. Shout out Diego. That ride along was really dope. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to hit that subscribe, because I'm trying to hit 1K before the end of the year. And don't forget to hit that post notification so you guys don't miss a single video. Watching this event was super dope. If it wasn't that far and I had a trailer, I probably would drive this, but for now I'm gonna stick to the ones at near, just because it's closer to home. Coming and watching this is really dope. Seeing all the guys drive really motivates me to like drive more next year, and that's definitely what I'm gonna do. So next year 2022, there will be a whole lot more driving videos, drifting videos. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.